Hey everybody, real quick video on air frying a frozen hamburger patty. I've got the air fryer preheated to 400 degrees for 5 minutes, and then what I like to do here is take my patty, a little Lowry's seasoning salt, flip it over, more Lowry seasoning salt, hand off here, and then I always take a pat of butter and just put it right on top. And now it's ready to go in the air fryer here. Alright, so got a preheated air fryer. Set it right in there, make sure the butter stays on top of it. Like so. Alright, stick it in there. And jump on my phone here. Got air fryer. Turn it on, and we're going to cook the first side at 400 degrees, and I'm going to do it for 7 minutes. All right, and we'll check back in 7 minutes here, and we'll flip it over and cook it for an additional 5 minutes, and we'll add some cheese and cook it for an additional minute. All right, those are 7 minutes. Take it out, and so there's half cooked here. Now we're going to go ahead and take our plastic fish spatula here. And if you guys want to see this air fryer or any of the tools here, I'll link them on Amazon. And now we got it flipped over. Hit it with another little bit of seasoning salt. And of course you can do whatever you want with the seasoning, it's all subjective. Do take another piece of butter, set that right on top. And we're going back in the air fryer for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out and then put some cheese on it and melt the cheese for about a minute. And then we'll cut it up apart here and show you what we got. So back in. Alright, got it in there. And the app back going. Okay, 400, we're going to go 5 minutes. All right, so there's side number 2 done here. And just need to melt some cheese on it. Got 2 pieces of cheddar. Set them on there, back in. And we'll jump back on the app here. And 370 for 1 minute. Should be fine. I'll probably let it only go about 30 seconds. All right, let it run the whole minute here, as I wasn't paying attention. So the air fryer blew some of the cheese off the top, but most of it's still on there. Should be still totally delicious. And so we'll go ahead and get it out. All right. And so there's our patty, and I, of course, have a bun and everything that I'm going to be putting it on, but you know, people can put whatever they want on it, you know, with onions, or I make homemade Big Mac sauce that I'm going to use, and some onions, some other stuff I'm going to put on it. I just want to show you the patty, and I'm going to kind of ruin this for me cutting it open, but we need to see the inside of it, so we'll go ahead and we'll do that. All right, that came out kind of more done than I like, so maybe next time I'll do it at a lower temperature, but that's what happened to the patty, cooking it. Yeah, I think we did 400 degrees, 7 minutes, and then 400 degrees, 5 minutes, and then just another minute at 370 just to melt the cheese on it. Yeah, a little more done than I like, but these are frozen patties though, so you know, you're not going to get a whole lot better than that, I don't think. You know, if you have any comments or anything, just remember, you know, if you're going to leave a comment, if you're going to be mean, just at least be funny. And until next time, well, I'll talk to everybody later.